Greetings, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host, Sam G. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with style and have a lot of goodies in the bag. So come with me and take a drag. You know, I would have to say that I don't have any excuses, but as in the words of Everton Blender, I am a family man working for my children. I am a family man working and working where we're ahead. I am a family man, you know. I have my youth, I have my 6-year-old son, keeping him busy in school, keeping him busy overall, being a hands-on father, just being a family man, working, taking care of my responsibilities. But I cannot get away from my passion because your passion can be ration, right? And we have to do it in enough style and enough fashion. So here we are on the Solid Corner with the Solid Rock family. And we're to keep the vibes alive, keep the vibes while we keep what? Good, positive music alive. And this is the song that I'm going to kick off the new season with, as I would like to say, is a song entitled Whyne, Dung by the artist Bushman, right? And it's a song that I've came across a few months ago earlier in the year. The words of this song has done a lot for me, you know, because I myself personally is going through some things, and this is a song that has helped to uplift my spirits and my mentality, and you know, it really pushes me because it's a song that is telling you, no matter what, never tell yourself that your time is done. You can keep pushing forward and have things to look forward to and keep moving, right? And what you can control, you control. And what you can't control, take it off your mind and keep moving forward, right? Such a positive message. Whatever bed you make for yourself, that's the bed you have to lie in. Basically is what the song is saying. And I'm telling you, from the moment I heard this song, I knew that this is a song I want to start off. The message in the song is what I want to get across to people, right? And I'm telling you, in comes Bushman with a thing called Whyne, Dung. Never tell yourself that your time done. In comes.
Good God, say, hey, you got to believe in yourselves. Say, you got to believe it. Hey, I win the you wanna wind down. Give her till you see that.
Oh my gosh. I'll win you and I wind down. Never tell yourself say that your time done. Make the most of opportunity when time Hey, let me tell you something. I'm gonna take this back from the top. But before I go there, I just want you guys to not only just listen to the lyrics or the great vocal energy coming from Bushman. Listen to the music. Listen to how the drummer is working the hi-hat. Boss, drumming is working it, man. Every musician in this rhythm section is doing their thing. Down to the guitar man with the bang. Just listen to everything, including the drummer. But as we take it back from the top to the very last drop, in comes the musical lollipop. Bushman, I'm the Stushman, with Whyne Dung. Never tell yourself your time what?
Good God, say, hey, you got to believe in yourselves. Say, you got to believe it. Hey, I win the you wanna wind down. Give her till you see that your time done. How you spread your bed, that's how you lie down. Make the most of opportunity when time comes. Cause nothing in a life no come easy. Whole heap of things in my life will no please me. I change the ones that can change and the ones I can't change. But I slip and take them off of my brains. So the things stay. Every dog got their day. And every man got their way. So when your chance come, don't play. No way. So the things stay. Every dog got their day. And every man's got their ways. So when your chance come, don't play. No way. See my bun back angle and I rub up with oil and no stop from sprinkle them powder. Me buck me two and fall over and them think it's all over, but me get up and me just start over. Whole heap of friend me have, no for them let me down. Do a lot of things and try to get me down, but only King Jafar and keep me safe and sound. Them coulda never take me big clown. I saw the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the change come, don't play, no way. So the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the change come, don't play, no way. You must never give up, no way. You must never give up, no. You must never give up, no way. You must never give up, no. I went to sick and I'm sticking. And no food now in the pot in the kitchen. Me cheese off it touch the door, walk my foot out in my car now wait for a guy to make it happen. I have learned to both.
Let me tell you something. You see that line that he said right there? Cannot wait on a guy to make it happen. One thing as you get older in this life, you're going to realize that you are on your own. You cannot depend on anyone to get things done for you. Not saying that a one won't assist and help pushing up, but you cannot sit and wait on anybody because they have their life living and they have their thing that they prioritize over your thing. So you can't sit and wait on no one to get yourself through whatever door you're trying to get through, right? You yourself have to keep pushing and get yourself through. Seeing? So true words coming from Bushman. But we ain't gonna talk too much because we're not Stushman. In comes.
Motivate myself, depend on me, myself, and I and no one else. And judge, I feel my word with confidence. So everything I do, it makes sense. So the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the change come, no play, no way. So the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the chance come, don't play, no way. You must never give up, no way. You must never give up, no. You must never give up, no way. You must never give up, no. I will you wanna wind down. Give her till you see that your time done. How you spread your bed so you lie down. Make the most of opportunity when time comes. Cause nothing in the life no come easy. Well, heap of things in my life will no please me. I change the ones that can change and the ones I can't change. But I slip and take them off of my brains. So the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the chance come, don't play, no way. So the things stay. Every dog got their day, and every man's got their ways. So when the chance come, don't play, no way. You must never give up, no way. You must never give up, no. You must never give up, no way. You must never give up, no. I win the sick and I'm sticking, and then no food now in the button and the kitchen.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was Bushman with a thing called Whyne, Dung. And I'm telling you, man, what a tune. What a tune. Yeah. You know, all when you and a Whyne Dung. Never tell yourself so that your time done. Make the most of opportunity when time come. Nothing in a life no come easy. Enough things in my life will not please me. I change the ones I can change and the ones I can't change. Bonus spliff and take it off of my brain. So the things stay. Every dog got there. What a tune. Seeing, why worry? Why worry? As a sister of mine would say, why worry when you can eat? Yeah. But yeah, man, what a tune. From the moment I heard this tune, I said, no, I have to take this message to the solid people and, you know, spread some comfort. Because a lot of us, if not, we all are going through some tumultuous times and some challenging times. So we just have to try to, you know, take it easy as best as we can in this time. See? But as I said before, we're reopening the solid door. So like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe as we keep positive music alive. Listen to the point of view, because over here we keep things true. Same. Keep everything solid and keep it locked to Solid Rock. And we're going to have some more installments for you. Right about now. We're going to jump right into them. Well, some good tunes, good tunes to react to and review. So, stick around. You must never give up, no way. You must never give up. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell to put you under a musical spell. Scene, out we go.